Our question
My name is
was-
Lucy.
Oh yeah, my name is Brynna. Our question is. What was the thing that went cree and ack?
I think it might have been like the wind, and she might be hearing things.
It said the rain had stopped and she was almost asleep when something went. She sat up in her bed. Something went cree. So it sounds like something almost fell in her room,
Maybe.
or like slammed down on something.
I politely disagree, because I think that it's like the wind, and maybe like it's. She said the house was old, so maybe like somebody's walking, and like it might be the floorboards that are creaking.
Because that happens. I have an old house, kind of.
Yeah, same. And mine do that.
It creaks a lot when I walk.
Yeah.
So maybe it was just the floorboards cracking, but it sounded kind of weird because it would
but like when it goes, it's like when it's about to creak, and then it goes purr, and then it goes ack when it falls back down.
Yeah, because it's like the floorboards moving.
And then after that it said she looked down the hall, so maybe it was somebody walking in the hallway.
Yeah, because if she looked down the hall, and maybe that's where she thought the sound came from, and that's where
the floorboards were.
Yeah.
I have another thing. Why does she not like the recipes her dad makes? She just goes to the freezer and gets some microwave chips and a microwave pizza. Why does she do that?
That does sound really weird.
Yeah, why does she
Because
do that?
I like what my dad makes.
Yeah.
Like, I like his recipes. So,
Yeah.
and I mean, maybe her dad's bad cook. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe she doesn't
But
like
she
his
didn't.
recipes.
But she didn't say that. She just said in the sentence before it says, Coraline's father stopped working and made them all dinner. Coraline was disgusted. Daddy, she said, you've made a recipe again. It's leek and potato stew with tarragon garnish and melted Gruyere cheese, he admitted. Coraline sighed. She went to the freezer and got out some microwave chips and a microwave pizza. I don't like recipes, she told her father.
What's so bad about recipes?
Yeah, and if you tried it, maybe you'd like it, said Coraline's father, but she shook her head. Why is she so against this recipe? Like, what's so bad about them? You know, what do you think?
I think that's just suspicious why she doesn't like it. Maybe it's like something happened in their past where she tried it and she had like an allergic reaction, or just like something like that happened in the past with the recipes.
Yeah. I also think like maybe her dad is a bad cook, and maybe he just like doesn't realize it. Sometimes like my dad used to be a really bad cook, and I used to be like, ooh. Because he put mini hot dogs, like wieners and macaroni and cheese.
Oh.
So he used to be a really bad cook, but I kept trying his stuff, and then I started to like it, except for the macaroni and cheese, the hot dogs thing. But like, I still think that she should at least try it. If she doesn't like it, she can go and get her microwave pizza and chips.
Yeah, but it's kind of rude. I think her dad might be a little hurt too, and it never says this in the book, but because she's just like, no, and she just like gets a microwave pizza, and what else does it say?
Yeah, and microwave chips.
Yeah.
What are microwave chips?
So we have 17
What are microwave chips?
Next time
Yeah, it just says microwave chips. I've never had microwave chips.
Chips. They are chips that you microwave. I think it makes them like crunchy or something.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Interesting. I never heard of that before.
All right, that was our question. Bye.